Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 2.5 magnitude felt in New Zealand. Depth of this earthquake is 94.9 km and this earthquake felt on Sunday, March 20, 2022. Local time is 2:50 p.m. Nearest volcano is White Island. Nearby towns and cities 41 km north and east of Matata, 46 km north and east of Maketu. Weather at epicenter at time of quake, overcast cloud, 20.5 degrees centigrade, 69 Fahrenheit, humidity is 64% and wind is 10 meter per second from east and north. Estimated release energy from this quake is 98.6 kilowatt hours. Primary data source is GeoNet New Zealand, Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey New Zealand. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.